This is a combination of all of the videos available on electronic submission of coursework at the University of East London. This video will demonstrate how to create a Turnitin link within UEL Plus, and make it available for students to submit their coursework to. Log into UEL Plus, and select the required UEL Plus site. Ensure you're in the Build tab, and navigate to where you would like to create the Turnitin link. Select Add Content Link, and click Turnitin UK Assignment. Select Create Turnitin UK Assignment, and add a title for the assignment. Click Create Turnitin Assignment. Ensure Paper Assignment is selected, and click Next Steps. Add the assignment type point value. The point value is the numerical amount the assignment is to be marked out of. As a standard, this should be set at 100. Select the assignment start date. The start date is the date the Turnitin link becomes available to students. Select the assignment due date. The due date is the date the Turnitin link closes for student submissions. Add the assignment post date. The post date is the date the feedback is made available for the students to view. The assessment policy allows a maximum of 20 working days for the return of work. Once the start, due and post dates have been added, select optional settings. Ensure submissions are allowed after the due date. See the late submission and extenuation guidance for further information on late submissions. To ensure the submissions are checked for potential plagiarism offences, select Yes to generating originality reports for submission. To comply with the university's Turnitin policy, ensure that the generation of originality reports is set to immediately, can overwrite until due date. To further comply with the university's Turnitin policy, select Yes to allow students to see originality reports. To comply with the assessment policy, and ensure no accidental bias on marking, select Yes to anonymous marking. If a rubric is available, you can select the appropriate one for this assignment. Further information on rubrics is available from the rubric section. Once the appropriate settings have been selected, click Submit to save the Turnitin assignment. Click OK to the post date warning. The Turnitin link will be created within the UEL Plus site. This video will demonstrate how to create a Turnitin quick mark set, attach it to an assignment, and provide feedback on coursework using the quick mark set. Section 1. Creating a quick mark set. Log into UEL Plus and locate the required Turnitin link. Select the library's link and click Quick Mark Manager. The Quick Mark Manager will open. Select the plus icon in the Sets menu to create a new quick mark set. Add a title for the new quick mark set, and click Save. The set you've created will appear in the Sets menu. Select it to add comments directly to the set. Select the plus icon in the Marks menu to create a new quick mark comment. Add the comment title and description, and click Save. The quick mark comment will be created. Repeat the process to add additional comments to the quick mark sets. The quick marks will appear within the chosen set. Repeat the process to add as many quick marks as required. Section 2. Making a quick mark set active. Log into UEL Plus and locate the required Turnitin link. Select the library's link and click Quick Mark Manager. The Quick Mark Manager will open. Select the quick mark set you wish to make active. Select Make this the active set. The set chosen will be activated and be available automatically when marking student coursework. Section 3. Providing feedback via quick mark comments. Log into UEL Plus and locate the required Turnitin link. The assignment inbox will be displayed. Select the Grademark icon for a student submission, and ensure you are in the Grademark tab. Select the Quick Marks menu to choose a Quick Marks set, or search directly for a quick mark using the search box. You can provide feedback by highlighting text and clicking on the comment you would like associated with the text. You can also select a comment and drag it directly onto the work. Feedback can also be added by highlighting text and clicking to add an individual comment. Click Save to save the individual comment. General comments for the entire script can be added by selecting the General Comments icon. Once comments have been added, click Save to save the general comments. This video will demonstrate how to create a Turnitin in Grademark rubric. Attach it to an assignment, and mark a piece of coursework using the rubric. Section 1. Creating a Grademark rubric. Log into UEL Plus and locate the required Turnitin link. Select the library's link and click Rubric Manager. Select the rubric menu and click Create New Rubric. A blank rubric will be displayed. Add a rubric title. Add a required criterion to the rubric. If a standard rubric is used, add the corresponding percentage for the criterion. Repeat the process with each required criterion. Once all the criteria have been added, select the scale text box, input the first scale description, and scale point. Repeat the process for each required scale point. If additional scales are needed, click plus icon to add. Select individual comments to add additional information relating to the criteria and scale. Repeat the process to complete the detail for the rubric. Once all comments have been added, click Save to save the rubric. Section 2. Attaching a rubric to an assignment. Log into UEL Plus and locate the required Turnitin link. Select the Grademark icon on a student submission. The Turnitin document viewer will display. Ensure you're in the Grademark tab. Select the rubric icon from the bottom right of screen. Select the Rubric Manager icon. The Rubric Manager will be displayed. Select the Rubric menu to locate the required rubric. Select the Attach Rubric to Assignment icon. The rubric will now be attached to all submissions within the chosen Turnitin link. Select the Close text box. The chosen rubric will be displayed. Select the scale for each criterion to provide rubric-based feedback. Section 3. Marking using the Grademark rubric. Log into UEL Plus and locate the required Turnitin link. Select the Grademark icon On a student submission, the Turnitin document viewer will display. Ensure you're in the Grademark tab. Select the rubric icon from the bottom right of screen. The chosen rubric will be displayed. Select the appropriate scale for each criterion to provide rubric-based feedback. Information on the chosen rubric scale point is displayed on the screen. If you're using the standard rubric, the grade can be automatically calculated by selecting Apply Rubric Percentage to Grade. The grade will be displayed in the top right of screen. This video will highlight how to provide feedback using Turnitin Grademark. Log into UEL Plus, select the appropriate UEL Plus site and navigate to the Turnitin link. The assignment inbox will open. Select the grade icon for the submission you wish to provide feedback to. The document viewer will be displayed, enabling feedback to be provided. Feedback can be provided in a number of different ways. Individual comments can be added by highlighting text and clicking on the screen. Click Save to save individual comments on the paper. Comments can also be added from a quick mark set. Highlight text and select the appropriate quick mark from the list. To select comments from different quick mark sets, select the quick mark menu and navigate to the appropriate set. The chosen quick mark set will be displayed. General comments can be added to provide overall feedback on the submitted work. Click the General Comments icon. Click Save to save any comments added. You can also view all comments added to a submission. Navigate through the submission pages to locate individual comments. A list of used comments will be displayed. Feedback can also be provided via a rubric. If you're using a rubric, you can access it via the rubric button. Click to expand the rubric to show all criteria and scale descriptions. The detailed rubric will be displayed highlighting the criteria and relevant scale points. Click Close to exit the expanded view. To provide rubric-based feedback, click on the appropriate scale point for each of the criteria. If the standard rubric has been used, you can automatically calculate the grade. Click Apply Rubric Percentage to Grade to calculate the percentage. The calculated grade will be displayed in the top right of screen. If you are not using a rubric or wish to amend the grade, it can be amended by selecting the grade and adding the required number. Once marking has been completed, you can exit the document viewer or navigate to the next submission. This video will demonstrate how to submit a piece of coursework to Turnitin, and how to access the originality report for the submitted work. Section 1. Submitting work to Turnitin. Log into UEL Plus and select the UEL Plus site you wish to submit your coursework to. Locate and select the Turnitin link you need to submit to. The assignment inbox will open. Select Submit to locate your assignment for submission. Your first name and last name will be added automatically. You must input an appropriate assignment title. Click Browse to locate the assignment you wish to submit. The file upload window will open. Locate the assignment you wish to submit and click Open. Click Upload to upload the assignment. A preview of your uploaded document will be available. Check it is a correct document and click Submit. Once submitted, you will receive a receipt confirming your submission. This confirmation will include your unique Turnitin ID number. Section 2. Accessing your originality report. Following submission of your assignment, it can take up to 24 hours for the originality report to be made available. To view your report, select the Turnitin link you submitted your work to. The assignment inbox will be displayed. Click Show Details to display the originality percentage. Select the report percentage to view the originality report for submission. The report will be displayed, highlighting any potential similarities and their sources. This video will highlight how to access feedback on your coursework, using Turnitin Grademark. Log into UEL Plus and select the course you wish to access feedback for. Navigate to the Turnitin link you submitted your work to. Select the Turnitin link to access the assignment inbox. Details of the assignment you submitted will be displayed. Click Show Details to expand. Click View to open the document viewer and access your feedback. The document viewer will open. Your provisional grade will be displayed in the top right of screen. This grade is subject to external approval and may change. Feedback may be provided in 3 ways. Firstly, if general comments have been added, these will be displayed on the right of screen. Secondly, individual comments may be provided throughout the work you submitted. Hover over the comments to get detailed feedback. You can navigate through all comments provided for the assignment. Clicking on a comment will take you to where the feedback is provided in the document. Thirdly, if rubric-based feedback is provided, you can access it by clicking the rubric icon. The rubric criteria will be displayed, highlighting the grade point you were awarded in each criteria. If desired, you can print or download a copy of your feedback. Click the download icon to generate a PDF. Click Open to open a PDF of your feedback. A PDF of your feedback will be displayed. You can print or save it as required.